Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is how to get transcript from YouTube video with Descript. First is go to the Descript website and make sure to sign in into your account. And after that, you should be able to see here transcribe a file on the top right corner over here. And now here, as you can see, you will have an option to paste a video link from YouTube. So guys, let's say I'm going to use one of our video as an example, and I'm gonna copy the link and paste it over here and click on this icon over here. And after a few minutes, as you can see, you should be able to see here on now after a few minutes, as you can see, you could provide a name if you like to and provide the number of people who are talking in the audio, and you just simply select done. Now guys, once it is done, we'll simply select export on the top right corner, go for transcript, and you should be able to select a format over here, or you could just simply go ahead and copy and paste over here directly. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more, and as you can see, you could also filter it out as well over here before exporting. Thanks for watching.